This is the twin engine mini moto build, day 6. As you can see, I have my manifolds welded up and in place, and the engines, dirt bike transfer box, twin K&N style air filters, and my wheel, sick, no good for this weather. I'll just flip this round. There you can see the other air filter and flying wheel. Coming up to the twin tip exhaust, disc brake, still some minor welding to be done. Going to extend the frame just here by approximately 40mm to get the clearance for the engines. There's a bit of plate work involved here. Make sure both engines stay in place where I want them. Drilling the hole in that pipe took a little bit of time. Optional kill switch just there. I've seen several different ways of these being built. Obviously, scrap the crappy standard mini moto disc calipers, put one of my own on it. Exhaust bracket still needs welding. Fuel filter still need to get a tank. That's the one my brother gave me, was a pile of shite. Thank you, Andrew. Cut the frame a bit more than what I needed to, as I've just basically put it back together the way it was. Never mind. Still need to get my pull start. Clean those engines out, there's a bit of shit in them. Turn them over too much. We'll be buying new pistons and heads. Alright, I'll continue on another day. Stand this back up. Trying had to be shortened, but a bit of fly in there at the minute. Does clear the frame now. Yeah, to be continued.